Welcome back to my channel. This video is not to explain in depth on how to calculate pips, but it's a very straightforward video on how to calculate your stop loss and your take profit on gold. You don't want to waste so much time in this scenario at all. Now, there are two ways to calculate your stop loss on gold. I'll say two ways. This is like a shortcut to calculate your stop loss on gold. Now I want to show you something. Normally on your right hand side here, if you can see this, on your right hand side here, you can see that there is a ruler. Can you see it? There is a beautiful ruler here, which you can also use. Now, this ruler is showing you 5.6, right? Now, that's the first example I want to show you using the ruler. But now, for those that are beginners that want to trade gold but are finding it very difficult to calculate your stop loss or your take profit, it's very simple. I want to show you how. Now, let's assume you entered a trade for a buy. You come down below your screen. I put mine at favorite. You come down below your screen and you tap here for a long position. Can you see that now? I see that this trade is showing you 1 to 2, meaning whatever you are risking, you're going to be getting twice of what you are risking. Now, many of you will look at this thing and be wondering, what's going on? I don't understand. What is happening? What is the lot size? What is the stop loss should I use on this chart? I'm so confused. Well, it's very simple. On your chart here, you can see the situation where the wrote 4.4. Can you see it? 4.4 as your stop loss. And your gain is 9.2, right? Now, I'll type it. Let me type it for you. 4.483. So let me type it here. Oh, sorry. 4.486. Is that what you wrote there? 4.483. Okay, 3. Okay, and the take profit is 9.219. Now, this is what we're seeing as our take profit, and this is what we're seeing as our stop loss. Our risk to reward is 2.0, right? Now, I want to show you shortcuts. Is that called shortcuts? Well, I'm going to show you shortcuts. Now, how do I know the pips to use? How do I know pips to use in this situation? It's very easy. All you just have to do is come here and do multiplied by 10. Come down here, multiplied by 10. This will give you equal to 92.19. So that means you're going to be gaining 92 pips, equal to 44.82. That means your stop loss is 44 pips and your take profit is 92 pips. So why are you giving yourself so much stress within mathematics and calculation? Minus, plus, how many pipettes, how many pips, how many this? No, this is a very straightforward situation. I did a video on this channel about 10. If you know how powerful that number is, number 10, it can change everything in how you analyze fast. You already seen the market. Oh, it's already my zone. Sharply. Sharp, like fast. You just put your long position, your short position. You do multiplied by 10, go to your baby pips, put your position on baby pips, calculate how much you're going to be risking and how much you're going to gain, and you're good to go. Let's do this now. Baby pips, let me select baby pips from here. Baby pips, you come here, your baby pips, calculate how much you're going to lose. You're risking 1% of your account with 44 pips stop loss. This how calculate your stop loss and your take profit in the chart and execute your trade on MetaTrader 4. So this is the fastest way I could teach this for those that are struggling, are looking for simple ways to trade. It's not hard. I always tell people, it's just that you need to prepare your mind to learn. So ask your question on the comment section, say hi to me, and I'll reply you back if you don't understand anything. Give me topics that you want me to explain better to you, and I'll try my best to explain it in a more simpler and explanatory way for you to understand. Thank you so much for watching.